New Island Day, babe.
New Island Day. Great Guana Key is the plan. Gonna go eat some pizza in Blackpoint.
We might even do some laundry.
Laundry? Oh, grand ambitions.
Well, maybe not today.
I've got at least 2 pairs of boxers left.
Just arrived in Blackpoint. Once again, great minds are thinking alike. We got to this anchorage first with a couple of boats on our heels. There are going to be 20 boats here within the hour. The horizon is just full of boats who are also enjoying the nice weather and come in to play. So there's cruiser happy hour tonight. Should be fun. There's good reason for Blackpoint to be busy. All the cruising guides call Blackpoint a community that's an excellent example of a real out-island, non-touristy settlement. What the cruising guides don't tell you, but that all the active captain reviews will, is happy hour at Scorpios. They hold a cruisers happy hour Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, where the rum punches are 2 for 1, and these punches, ooh, do they pack it.
More rum than juice.
Oh yeah.
They used 3 different kinds of rum.
Really?
Yeah, he ran out of Bacardi White and went to the back to get another bottle of Bacardi White to go alongside some kind of gold rum, and I think it was like Myers or something. I did not ask for it strong.
Woo-hoo.
Cheers, Maddie.
Cheers, Maddie girl.
Was that red on yellow?
We spent a great evening drinking one too many, and Maddie was able to get some of the madness when we handed her our camera for the evening. So while at Blackpoint, the number one thing, aside from going to cruisers happy hour, which is clearly a must-do, is to get your laundry, well, it's to do your laundry at Rockpoint Laundromat. It's famous in the cruiser community. You got a gazebo, you got views, you've got laundry and drying at super reasonable prices, super friendly people. Oh, there's a dinghy dock, so the awful chore of doing laundry is actually quite pleasant. From Blackpoint, we continue to work our way slowly down the Exuma chain. We spent a night in Little Farmer's Cay exploring a shipwreck.
Well, maybe somebody drove it up on the rocks, but I would guess that it was anchored and got blown up in a storm.
And then 3 magical days at Rudder Cut Cay. The weather was so calm, it was time to finally get the paddleboard back out, swim with the mermaids, and try again in vain to catch some fish. We're hanging on the dinghy. Will's trying to go spearfishing. God, I want some fish for dinner. So let's see if he gets it. What do you think, honey? Do you think Daddy's gonna catch a fish? Yeah, I hope so. are you doing?
I'm shaving my face.
For the first time in about 5 years?
Yeah, I'm finding that I can't get my my mask to seal on my face properly, so every time I dive down I end up with a mask half full of water stinging my eyes. So, last resort, shave the face.
Ladies and gentlemen, Will Marks, 5 years younger.
Well, I found a great spot yesterday. A really good reef and a lot of good eating fish. I'm gonna try to get one. I give my odds 30%. I'm just not that optimistic about my ability to outsmart a fish that has survived until its eating size. The little ones, sure, but I don't want a little one. I want a like 5-pounder, you know, something that makes a full meal.
And what is your shark strategy?
Don't get bit. No, I don't know. I don't really have a shark strategy. I'm just gonna, if I get a fish on the line, I'm just gonna get it into the dinghy as quickly as possible. And I would probably, at that point, either the fish is big enough that that's all we need, or I'd maybe wait a little bit, poke my head in the water and see if there are any sharks around after getting the first one before choosing to go back in, or just go to another spot. I don't know. I don't really want to tangle with sharks, so I don't plan to sit there scooping up fish after fish and chumming up the waters.
How optimistic.
Yeah, I don't think that's really a concern.
All right, babe, don't come back without dinner. All right, here he comes. Let's see if he was successful.
Lot of nothing.
Seriously?
Not that there weren't plenty of opportunities. I'm just so bad.
Did you just miss?
Yeah, I'm absolutely atrociously terrible with a pole spear. And I also just don't have a good sense of the fish yet. All I succeeded in doing is lighting my arm up on fire coral.
Oh.
So I tried a few more times. I probably dove on that ledge 10 or 15 times, but I just suck at this.
You'll get there.
Maybe. So there's the fire coral that I got up in the mix with. It's a little burny. I know what it looks like now.
Okay, Maddie's gonna pick out our fishing lures for today. So Maddie, if we catch a fish, it's because you picked good lures. If we didn't catch a fish, it's because that's why it's called fishing, not catching. Okay. This one, the cedar plug, and this one, these two. All right, good choices, honey. Caught no fish. That's why they call it fishing, am I right? Season was shaping up to be one of beautiful scenery, plenty of beaches, but not a lot of luck on the fish front.
That was by far the greenest green flash that I've seen with my naked eye.
Alright, Maddie girl, we're gonna watch Daddy try to do a headstand.
Have I ever done a headstand in my life?
No.
No, I have not. Have I been drinking? Yes. Do I have less than a foot of clearance to get my legs through? Also yes. Pretty not bad.
Okay, ready?
Whoa.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Well, I'll grant you that's more impressive, but I'm also a 200-pound man that's never done a headstand in his life.
That's true. The odds were never in your favor. In the next episode, we get to Georgetown. This is an island that we previously sneered at for its reputation as being a place where cruisers languish. But my oh my, how our tunes change when we go there in season and with a child in tow.